Join me as I dive into the latest AI trends and challenge myself to completely revolutionize my content creation process. The world of content creation has undergone a seismic shift in recent years, and the driving force behind this change is artificial intelligence. From automating mundane tasks to unlocking new levels of creativity, AI is set to revolutionize the way we create content. But with so much happening so fast, it's easy to get lost in the noise. Content creators are facing an uphill battle in today's digital landscape. With algorithm changes happening left and right, it's hard to keep up with what works and what doesn't. Add to that the sheer volume of content being churned out daily, and it's clear that creators need something more to stay ahead of the curve. The struggle is real, folks. Trying to come up with new ideas, creating engaging content, and staying consistent is a tall order. And let's not forget about the pressure to keep up with the latest trends and styles. Another major challenge is the sheer amount of competition out there. With the rise of social media, it's never been easier for people to share their own content and build an audience. But with great power comes great responsibility, and standing out in a crowded market is no easy feat. It takes more than just a good idea to make it big. You need to be able to execute consistently, and that's where things get tough. And if all that wasn't enough, there's the added pressure of constant innovation. With new technologies and techniques emerging all the time, creators need to be able to adapt on the fly. It's exhausting just thinking about it, right? The never-ending cycle of creation, analysis, and iteration can leave even the most seasoned creators feeling drained. So what's the solution to all these problems? Well, that's where AI comes in. By automating certain tasks and freeing up our time, AI can help us focus on what really matters, creating amazing content that resonates with our audience. One of the most exciting AI trends in content creation right now is the rise of generative models. These models use complex algorithms to generate entirely new content, from images and videos to music and even entire articles. The possibilities are endless, and it's an area that's definitely worth keeping an eye on. Another trend that's gaining traction is the use of AI-powered collaboration tools. These tools allow teams to work together seamlessly, no matter where they are in the world. AI is also helping creators tap into their own creativity. With tools that can analyze our writing styles and suggest new ideas, it's never been easier to break through creative blocks and come up with something totally fresh. And let's not forget about the role AI is playing in personalization. By analyzing user data and preferences, creators can tailor their content to individual audiences, making it more relevant and engaging than ever before. But there's one AI tool that really stands out from the rest: AI-powered content forecasting. This incredible technology uses machine learning to predict what types of content will perform well in the future, giving creators a huge edge over the competition. Imagine being able to see into the future and know exactly what your audience will love before you even create it. In a nutshell, AI is set to revolutionize the world of content creation. And it's not just about automating tasks. It's about unlocking new levels of creativity and innovation. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you've had any experiences with AI in content creation, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. See you in the next one.